Transitions in PowerPoint can make or break a presentation. Learn how to create a more engaging presentation with the transitions in PowerPoint. We'll cover how to create this slide deck showing several different transition types, including curtains, vortex, and several others. Let's get started. Place your assets, videos, images, and text on the slides first to create your slide deck. In our example, the slides have both images and text inserted. Slide 1 has a curtain image with a golf logo on top of the curtain and text on top of the logo. For the curtains transition, there is a special feature. Any text or images placed on top on the beginning slide will be split in two when the curtains transition is executed. For a more eye-catching effect, the golf logo was cut out using a tool like Affinity Photo or Photoshop to make the logo look more like it's a part of the curtain. For slide 3, use the vortex, slide 4 random bars, slide 5 shape, and slide 6 the fly-through transitions. For slide 7, instead of a transition, select the image of the curtains and use the swivel animation. This will continue to show the golf logo and the text after the curtains swivel away. There you have it, a slide deck with transitions that will create more audience interest. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Until the next video, keep wondering, keep learning.